Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Pinterest. If you're experiencing issues with Pinterest, such as app not working or loading properly, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to fix it. Make sure you watch the video till the end. And first, you have to check for the updates. In order to do that, go to the Play Store, look out for the Pinterest app, tap on it over here, and make sure you are using the latest version of the Pinterest app. Simply tap on the update option if there's any update option showing in your screen, or if it's not showing, then your Pinterest app is up to date. Or you could also open the Pinterest app and go back and clear this. And this is how you can restart the Pinterest, and this can sometimes resolve minor issues with the app. Or you could restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can resolve app related problems as well. Or you could also check your internet connection, ensure that you have the stable internet connection. Unstable or slow connections can sometimes cause issues with Pinterest. Or you could clear app and cache data. In order to do that, press your Pinterest app like this, go to the app information and select the storage and cache. And in the bottom, there's a clear storage option and clear cache option. You can simply tap on the clear storage in order to clear the both option. Or if none of the steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Pinterest app. Go to the Play Store, tap on the uninstall, and after that you can reinstall the Pinterest app again. And this is how you can fix your Pinterest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.